First up is an angler's tool knife. It has a plastic sheath and not in bad condition at all. Next is an overland fisherman's friend. This is an excellent find. Made in Germany, great quality, but will need a refurbish. This will make a fun project for me. This looks like a diver's knife. My dad was not a diver, but any kind of knife got his attention. This knife is an AMF Swim Master made in the USA. The plastic sheath is in good condition, and even the straps are here. Just needs a little cleanup. Now, here is a possible oldie, a J. Martini knife from Finland. This is the classic fillet knife, but looks like it may have been modified and will need to be rebuilt. The good-looking sheath is still intact. These are well built. Great find, and I will definitely restore this one. Oh geez, I have not seen this knife in probably 30 years or more. Dad made this knife. I think he machined the blade and it looks pretty complete, except for the scales, and they look like they are green G10 material. I definitely will have to complete this knife and hand it down to one of my kids or grandkids. Here is an old hatchet. I know nothing about it, so don't know how long he has had it. It is an S-wing hatchet, so it is made in the USA. This will be a fun one to restore since it has been used and a little beat up. Here is a nice Winchester limited edition knife. Dad probably got it to restore because it looks very used and weathered. It will make another good restore project for me. An old sniffer, for tile I think, but maybe I can repurpose it for forge use. It is in good condition. In this bag is my old fixed blade Boy Scout knife. Not sure if it is official Boy Scout, but I used it when I was scouting. It is well used, but Dad saved it, so I guess I need to restore this one too. Thanks for watching, and as you can see, I will have a lot of restoration projects to do. Please like and subscribe. Look for all the restorations videos coming.